Hello friends, today I'm going to show you this Seagull newly released pilot chronograph watch, model number 2023. It's using Seagull manual chronograph movement ST90. It's a hand-wind movement. Hear this clicky sound? You can feel the charming of mechanical watch. The diameter is 40 mm. It's a popular size recently. Thickness 40 mm. Two small dial. The right one is 30 minutes chronograph dial, and the left one is second dial. These two small Chinese words means read second. China Seagull 22 yuan. This circle inner here is a tachometer circle. You can use this to test the time and the average speed. The dial is a gradual spark pattern. Looks a little sand matte view. This one looks better. The 3 crown. Chronograph function. Stop and reset. Backside is transparent see-through design. Those Chinese word China Air Force, Tianjin Watch Factory. Sapphire crystal, barber window. Crazy horse pattern, genuine leather strap. The hour indicator, the time indicator, and the hour have a glowing dark material coating. Let's get some lights first. You see in the dark, glowing dark. The watch is in pure and tough and old-fashioned style. It's very beautiful. In the packaging, it's a special box, gift box. The user manual, a NATO band, a Seagull logo badge. This watch have 3 colors. This is black one. This is a green one, and this is a beige one, beige color. Thank you.